So there's a small mishap happened. So two of our riders have met with an accident. One is Prabhuji and one is Nimi. I'm not too sure who's the other one. So Prabhu is Aditya Prabhu. He was riding a Highness. So about 12 riders we had come ahead, and we were waiting in a particular junction for them to come. We waited about for 10-15 minutes. They still didn't turn up, and there's network issue also here. Finally managed to get the network, and we called one of the other team members, and we got an update that they had a fall, and that's why they are delayed. Now we are going ahead. So this is basically we are getting back now to Mangalore. So we went to Samse and return now. So we will have to go ahead and inform there that the other few bikes will be delayed because there was an accident, which we will do. While the rain seems to continue in full force. So there's portion by portion. So there are certain places where the rain's little less, and in few places it's more. And water is completely almost to the brim. So we would want to reach down as soon as possible and just inform that the rest of them will be delayed. Meanwhile, you can check out the weather here. Check out the entire fog. You can't see any of those ranges ahead because there's complete fog. So we started there from Samse post at around 11:40. So 1 o'clock or 12:50 is the reach point which we need to reach. I wonder how Prabhuji is a good rider. I don't know how did he fall. Surprising. Any which way, let's get down now. What is coming? We got nice photo. ಹೌದಾ? ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬರೋದು? ಹೌದಾ? ಅದೇ ನೋಡಿ ಏನೋ ತಿಂದಾರ ಅದೇ ನೋಡಿ ಅವನ್ನ ಫುಲ್ ಹೊಡೆದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಅದು ಈಗ ಫುಲ್ ರೋಡ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಉಂಟಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಇಲ್ಲ ಮನೆ ಇದೆ ಹೌದು ಇಲ್ಲ ಬಿಡ್ತಾ ಮಾತ್ರ ಉಂಟಲ್ಲ ಸಂಸೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ರೋಡ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಈಗ ಹೌದು ಬಿಡ್ತಾ 8 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ಹಾಗೆ ಉಂಟು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ 3 ವಾರ ಮುಂಚೆ ಹೋಗಿದೆ ಹೌದಾ ಮಂಗಳವಾರ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಅದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಬೇರೆ ಒಂದು ಕಾಮಾಜಿ ಉಂಟಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಪ ಕಾಮಾಜಿ ಉಂಟು ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಜಾಗ್ರತೆ ಬಂದ ಅದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಮಾರು ರೋಡ್ ಟ್ರಾಫಿಕ್ ಜಾಮ್ ಇದೆ ಘಾಟ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಕಾಂಡ ಏನು ನಡೆದ್ರೆ ಬಯ್ಯ 4 ಗಂಟೆ ಇದೆ ಇದು ಜಾಗೃತಿ
And the beef? अच्छा सकाळ जमत मग सकाळी objection सांगू का औषध घर लावतो वेळ घेतो तुम्हाला टाइम कितना 1 घंटा पाव पाहिजे सकाळ 11:40 टाइम सोडवला मी 11:40 सोडवला ना देऊ का ते कम भले